A video visit makes it easy to have a face-to-face appointment with your Harbor Hospice or palliative care provider without them coming to your home, wherever you call home. Here's how to get started. You'll need access to a device with a camera, such as a smartphone, tablet, or computer. You will also need to make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi and using Chrome, Firefox, or Safari for your web browser. Before your scheduled visit, your provider will send you a personalized link. Click on this link. Next, enter your name in the welcome screen and click Check In to let your provider know that you are ready for your visit. You might be prompted to enable your camera and allow access to your web browser as well. You're now in the virtual waiting room. Once your provider begins the visit, he or she will appear on the screen with you. During the call, you have a few controls along the bottom of your screen. You can turn the video on or off, audio on or off, adjust settings, and hang up once your visit is over. If at any time you have technical difficulties, we recommend calling our office for help. You can also visit the FAQ section on our website for more information. We're always here to make sure you're connected to our care team with hospice, palliative care, or grief support.